Hello children. So now let us get into section B, that is advanced writing skill, which we get to 30 marks of the paper. Today we will discuss English writing skills, and the very important topic is letter writing. In class 9th and 10th we have formal letter writing the syllabus. So today we will discuss letter to the editor. We will discuss format of letter and then we will solve one example. So first of all, let us see the format of the letter to the editor. Whenever we write letter, first of all we have to write sender's name and address. It include email and phone number if required. Mostly the question gives you the name and address. In case question does not give you sender's name and address, then you can write your own name and address. Then leave one line and write date here. Below date, leave one line again and write receiving editor's address. Then again we will leave one line and mention subject of the letter. Subject of the letter is the main crux why we are writing the letter to the editor. It should be very precise and maximum in one line. We have to write the subject of the letter, the reason why we are writing the letter, and as you can see here, everything you should start from the left hand side. Then on number 5 we have to write salutation. In salutation, you can write sir, respected sir, madam. If the gender is unknown, then you can write both, respected sir and ma'am. Then again leave one line and write body. Generally, the body of the letter is divided into 3 paragraphs. In first paragraph, you should introduce yourself and the purpose of writing the letter. In paragraph 2, you should write the detail of the topic. You should highlight the social issue or the reason why you're writing the letter. And in paragraph 3, you conclude or end the letter. Why you're writing the letter to the editor and what kinds of help you wanting from the editor. You should write in paragraph 3. Then on number 7, you should write complimentary closing. You write thanking you, you're faithfully, you're truly, you're sincerely, etc. Then on number 8, again you write sender's name. It should be same as you have written or as given in the question. Then above name, you should put your signature and the designation given in the question. So now let us discuss one solved example of letter to the editor. This question is already given in board exam for class 10th. So we will discuss this question. This is the question which we have to discuss. Gandhinagar is a thickly populated locality inhabited mainly by the working class people. Unfortunately, there is no milk booth in the locality. Write a letter to the editor of a local city drawing the attention of the authorities to the problem focused by the people requesting them to open a milk booth. You are Sham, Shobha, and address is 4 Gandhinagar, Mumbai. You should write the letter in 100 to 120 words. Here the name also mentioned. If you are a boy, your name is Sham, and if you are a girl, your name is Shobha. And the address is 4 Gandhinagar, Mumbai. So what's all given in the question? Your name is given in the question and the address also mentioned in the question. What is the reason why you are writing this letter to the editor? Because there is no milk booth in the locality in your area. Then you will give the detail about the issue why you are writing the letter, because the people are facing problem in regarding the milk and milk products. And what is the resolve you want? You want to open a milk booth in your area in Gandhinagar. So this is all you would like to write in this letter. First of all, you should introduce yourself with your name and then mention the issue. What is the issue about which you would like to write the letter to the editor, and then what is the detail of the problem, and then the resolve or solution of the problem. So let us begin to write the letter. First of all, you should write your name. If you're a boy, you should write Sham here, and if you're a girl, write Shobha. and then the address for Gandhinagar, Mumbai, which is given in the question. Then leave one line and write date 15 March 2020. Whatever the dates of given in the question paper only, you should write that date. Then leave one line again and write the address of the editor Hindustan News Mumbai. Again leave one line and write subject. And as I told you when I explained you the format, your subject should be precise and it should be complete in one line. Absence of milk, Amul milk booth in Gandhinagar. This is your subject. Then again you should leave one line and write the salutation. Respected sir or madam. If the gender is unknown, if you don't know whether the person is a male or female, you should write both the salutations, respected sir and madam. And then leave one line and start your body of the lesson. So in first paragraph, you should introduce yourself like I am Shobha, a resident of Gandhinagar. I am writing to you in order to raise the issue of absence of an Amul milk booth in my area. In this first paragraph, you should introduce yourself only and write the issue about for what you would like to write the later. So in the second paragraph, you are writing the issue in detail. What is the problem facing by the people and what you want from the editor. So in second paragraph, you should write Gandhinagar has a huge population which comprises of daily laborers. Still, the area does not have an Amul milk booth. The residents face many problems as they have to walk up to 10 km every morning to get their daily stock of milk and milk products. These had also led to black marketing. You can emphasize your issue by writing like this. The people of area getting harassed. Now in this third paragraph, you should conclude or end of your letter. As the situation is serious, I request you to highlight it through your newspaper so that the Amul authorities are sensitized towards it and do the needful. So these all is about the later. So in the third paragraph, you have written what you want from the editor. You want that editor should highlight this issue through the newspaper. Okay. So the authorities open a Amul milk booth in Gandhinagar area. Now in the ending of the letter, you should write thanking you, yours sincerely, and at last you should write your name, and above this you should put your signature and designation. At the end you should write the same name which is given in the question paper. Let us see once again. You should always check your answer that you have written. First of all, sender's name and address. Okay, then leave one line and write the date. Again leave one line and write the address of the editor. And then leave one line and write the subject of the letter. What about you would like to write the letter. Then leave one line and write the salutation. If you don't know the gender of the person, you should write the both, respected sir and madam. Again leave one line and start writing the body of the letter. First of all, you should introduce yourself, your name, and about the detail of the issue, what about which you would like to write the letter to the editor. And in second paragraph, you should detail the issue of the problem. And in third paragraph, we will write or tell what kind of help we want from the editor. After that, closing, then our name and signature. So this is how we have to write letter to the editor. So learn with one more example. The second question is, you are Rahul Chopra. Write a letter to the editor, The Times of India, New Delhi, voicing your concern against rash driving on roads of your city. Suggest some possible measures also. Your address is 447B, Sector 12, UE, Faridabad. So this is the question, and you have to write a letter to the editor of Times of India. Mention the issues of rash road accidents. So let's see once again with the help of format. Here I have given you format also. First of all, you should write the name which is given in the question, Rahul Chopra, and the address 447B, Sector 12, UHE, Faridabad. After writing the sender's name and address, you should leave one line and write the date which is given in the question paper. Either the date in which you are giving the paper, that date you can mention in the letter. Again, leave one line and write receiver's address. Receiver's address, to whom you are writing the letter, the editor of Times of India, New Delhi. Once again, leave one line and write the subject of the letter, about which you are writing the issue. What are the issues or problem about which you are writing the letter? Rash driving on roads. Then leave one line once again and write the salutation, to whom you are writing the letter, Dear Sir or Ma'am. If you know the gender, you can write that gender, otherwise you can write both, Sir and Ma'am. Then leave one line once again and write the body of the content. So here I have shown you that in the body of the content you have 3 paragraphs. So in first paragraph you should introduce yourself and the main issue about which you are writing the letter. So your name is Rahul Chopra. Through the column of your esteemed newspaper, I would like to express my concern over the problem of rash driving on roads of our city. So here in first paragraph you have mentioned your name, introduce yourself, and wrote about the issue or problem of the concern. Now in second paragraph you mention the detail of the problem. So that is, every day we read about the number of accidents that takes place on the roads of city. Some accidents are very serious. Many precious lives are lost in these accidents. The reason for these accidents is rash driving. Everyone seems to be in mad hurry. Young men on their bikes and cars drive recklessly. Many a time they collide with the other vehicles. They do not bother about the speed limit on busy roads. The authorities should take urgent steps to check this problem. In second paragraph, you had mentioned in detail what are the problems you are facing and what you are expecting from the authorities. So now in third paragraph, you will write what you are wanting from the authorities and what solutions you can give for your problems. So in third paragraph, you can write, more police constables should be posted at different points. Rash drivers should be penalized with heavy fines. I hope that this letter of mine will find a suitable space in your newspaper so that the problem of road accidents could be checked by the mutual effort of government and people alike. Thanking you. At last, you should write the closing words, thanking you, and then write the sender's name, closing letters, yours faithfully, yours sincerely, then the name of the sender which is given in the question, and the signature or the designation. So in this way you can write the letter to the editor. So children, I want you to make your own notebook and just keep these notes in your copy. If you have any question or doubt or any query, you can ask me. So I would like to give you one homework question so that you will do the practice at home. Here is your homework question. You are Manish Agrawal, living in 74 Railway Colony, Ludhiana. Write a letter to the editor of Hindustan Times about the evil of smoking in public transports. So you should write one letter to the editor of Hindustan Times about the evil of smoking in public transport.